Why don't we just hold the podcast in the Ikea? Can we do that? Just sit here with a microphone?
Literally like hollow. This is hollow.
No, we don't walk the tongue. And we enter the workshop.
Because I don't even know where they're.
I left the truck calendar. Motherfucker. We have
Yeah,
God, what is in here?
that's the bolt.
There's
Put it together.
nothing in here.
That's it?
This is it. This is it.
That's how you put it together.
4 little fucking bolts.
4 double-edged screws.
Is there a hammer in here? Yes, I see one. It's over there. Justin, over there. Wait. What is that? There.
My hammer.
So, this is going to be a difficult setup. What the hell is that? It's a fucking...
I don't know what this is.
How are we supposed to tighten these? Do we have like a wrench or something? We're going to put a pair of pliers.
Here, I got channel locks.
My stomach cancer is acting up. It doesn't get it. Make sure you get on.
This is horrible. Let me see a leg. I have a feeling that's how you're supposed to put it together.
Oh, yeah, leg first. Retard!
Josh, you're the test dummy.
I know. She's going to heaven! Yes, let me show my back to the camera.
Let me.
Shut the fuck up. What are you doing? Stop. Stop it. Nothing good about that. Into the
Everything in here?
I'm pretty sure this is the.
It doesn't work.
It does work.
That's fucking violent.
We need
Yeah,
some
no
safety.
guard.
We need some safety.
Exactly.
Camera should be there. It's so bad. I messed up.
What are you talking about?
Undo it.
No.
Table test.
Make
Come
it,
on, table
alright,
test.
Make it small. Just sit on it neat. Nice little small sit. Not horrible.
All right. All right. Wheel time.
What the hell are you doing?
Follow the line, bro.
What the hell are you
What
doing?
are we cutting it for?
That's definitely
the
not.
chat.
That's definitely not version 2 because we know this one's gonna fail.
Don't look. Don't look.
That's
Don't look.
yeah, baby. Josh, your lines are horrible. There's
doesn't
not a
do-
single part of straight
Come on,
line.
we don't need straight lines.
I can't believe this table actually went together.
No, stop. Stop. These are not all there.
What?
Yes.
Hitting
Okay.
my head on.
Give me. Just relocate the camera. Tilt things.
Oh my god!
Hey, baby.
I'm sorry. Fuck, I gotta wipe off the lens now.
Did he fall off the pin?
Maybe a little.
I don't think these. Okay, these are maybe.
Yeah, put it in.
We should definitely pre-drill.
No, don't worry about pre-drilling.
I don't like this. We need to move the whole thing. All right, no, this should be good. This should be
this
good.
is bolted.
Yeah, that is bolted down. You ready?
Yeah.
Full send.
Oh.
That baby's starting now.
Okay, maybe.
Josh, why are you making the PewDiePie circle like 2015 face?
Bro fist.
Bro fist! Woohoo! Whoa! You had it slightly on the jaw at the angle. I was ready for that.
Whoa, I got deck screws right here.
You know, just
You're the
entire
lotus. You know.
I truly have no idea if we have washers. We should have picked washers up.
Well, you didn't tell me. I have washers, but they're for.
We were thinking about
back wheels.
Oh Jesus!
Josh, you're breaking that.
Josh, it's bending.
You're giving it stress marks.
So, no, that's just for further testing. So we'll need a little add strengthening beams in the bottom. Oh, he's doing the hammer. Wait, we need to pre-drill each hole though. I think.
Fuck that.
What the fuck are you doing? You're gonna break that.
You know what? No, we're not using nails. You know why?
Why?
Because if I hit this thing hard,
It's gonna shatter.
it's gonna shatter.
Yeah. I think just we deal with the.
Fuck!
How about we just deal with the? I found them.
Found monsters?
Yes.
Let me see.
Not on this one.
Leave my hand alone. It's brand new.
How do I open this? This is like. You're
My
not
hair's
wash
fucked
it.
up. My hat back. Which washers?
These are so tidy.
Well, you know what? They're washers.
God damn it. There weren't.
I am a fucking
Wow.
genius.
What you gotta do is you gotta put it in anywhere like that. Right there. You gotta.
Oh my god, they won!
What?
Viewers, there's a screw sticking out.
Don't worry about it.
We didn't get metal screws. We never did.
No, how are we gonna attach that?
Look at that, it's stable.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
We gotta put it all the way in the corner. All the way in the corner. All the way in the corner.
All the way in the corner.
Otherwise it'll fucking break.
No, it'll just go straight through it.
No. There's no issue here. We're fine. Health and safety codes. We're fine. Right. Let go. Pull it out.
Oh, why'd you spin it? You gotta wiggle it.
Oh, Jesus.
We don't wiggle.
In
Fucking
this house.
hell!
Calm down. Don't worry. Stop.
I'm gonna die. No, we're fine. It didn't.
Set! Look at that, it's stable!
Do you have a ratchet or ratchet wrench too?
No.
Do you have a crescent wrench that's a half inch? Oh wait, Milwaukee. Here we go.
Milwaukee!
Yeah, actually, his drill bits, but I gotta find a drill.
Just use your impact.
No,
can't.
you don't
That's
use
not
an
how it
impacted
works.
drill. Are you retarded?
Are you? How big is this?
Boomer you! For fuck's sake.
Oh no!
Here, push. Hold it down. So it
Oh
don't
shit. What?
Move. Hold it down so it don't move. No, hold the table down. No, push down straight on the bottom of the table. There, like Justin's doing.
Just
on
have
your side.
Justin do it because I'm screwing this
For
up.
fuck's sake.
I'm screwing. I'm
Okay,
screwing.
but
I'm screwing. It's just fucking pop. Wait, Jason. I know that was a definite pop.
Oh god. What the fuck is wrong with you?
What? Go in. Oh yes, I got it.
Oh yeah.
wait a minute. You didn't put it on the tire yet.
I know.
Wait, you gotta put the fucking tire on, you dipshit!
No, I gotta get it through
For fuck's
first.
sake!
You know how to make it easier.
No, stop it.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
You don't be. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why'd you turn on the other one?
Hey, because the other one is the funny hole. Look at
It smells like cock.
that. Look at
I'm gonna
that.
pee myself.
You got a pee? I got a treat.
Wait,
Mommy. Going to pick Angie up from school. It was her dance today.
tell her to join the
What's our battery?
Hey, kill my sister, please. No, don't do that.
20%.
Okay, I need a fucking. Do you have a crescent wrench?
It's a crescent wrench.
What do you mean, what's a crescent wrench?
A regular wrench. Pull it out and put the wheel on.
No, this one's gonna go on the inside. I couldn't even see that.
It's gonna go on the inside. It's gonna go on the inside.
Oh my holy shit!
Mine is nice and easy, Josh. I
Josh,
don't
I
know
think
what
you're a
you
bit
did.
of a spur.
I don't know.
Are we through?
Yes.
No. This isn't gonna work.
Shit.
Shit. Do we have
Shave
any-
it off. Cut it. Where's the saw?
No, where's the bolt? Let's just put the bolt on it as the best of our ability.
The nut?
Yeah.
Nut!
Nothing like a good nut. Like a good nut. Hold on, give me the other wheel. Though.
Nut!
We have an Oshi card, by the way. That's not a joke. We actually do.
Don't tell him that. We can get taken away with this video.
I lied, actually. We don't.
Oh yeah, that's gonna spin, no problem. 2 holes on each side.
The hole's crooked.
The hole's crooked.
Oh, I thought that was
Motherfucker!
that was the whole
I'm
joke.
leaving. I'm leaving. Fuck, I quit.
This thing's
Jason,
like crazy.
he actually left.
Oh man, we're not putting a washer on, Josh. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I know.
Watch this. Pussy!
No, that's the right way. Just
No,
you
it's
have to put the wheel through.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do a battery
Oh
test.
shit.
Hold your comedy. 14%.
Okay, where's the
Oh no!
I have to sit down.
Oh no! Look at the wheel!
Wait, where is the fucking pencil? Jason, pencil me. I feel like
It rolls!
it's like a circle, and then it's like And then it says, and it's like, woo, woo, woo. It's a lotus.
That's definitely not a lotus.
Yeah, do you have piss and pee on it so it's yellow? Get a load of those wheels. All right, and for the test, because wheelchairs are way too expensive, and this was built for like
Josh, this was like
50
fucking dollars. Don't break it, please. Oh.
It's not moving.
Josh!
You're bending the
Josh, you're off the ground!
You're cracking. Okay, you know what? The only way to use this.
Yes, true wheelchair test.
Move. We gotta move.
True wheelchair test. Whoa!
Josh, you're breaking it. No!
Sorry, guys. Oh no! Oh no, my wheel!
He's lost it! He's lost it!
Oh no!
It's cardboard.
I worked so hard on that!
$10 from Ikea. It's
This was
cardboard.
$10.
No!
We dropped the screws.
My Lotus!
Bro,
Don't step in
this
their
is really
screws.
cardboard.
Oh, yeah, it is! I knew it was the fucking honeycomb shit!
Oh no, my Lotus.
Alright, to the fire pit. Let's go. I can't believe this thing's freaking cardboard.
I know, I'm furious.
This is $10.
Fucking idiot.
Even if this is real wood, look how thin it is.
Jesus Christ. That dick survived.
Caucus.
Ooh, it's wet. Ew, ew. No, not the cock!